Today, the United States joins the international community in celebrating the 76th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which proclaims, quote, "A world in which human beings shall enjoy freedom of speech and belief." We call on the People's Republic of China to halt its ongoing abuses in Xinjiang, in Tibet, and especially given the recent unjustified trial of Jimmy Lai and other champions of Hong Kong democracy in Hong Kong. We reiterate our deep concern about the PRC's restrictions on fundamental freedoms and its use of transnational repression. We continue to call for the immediate and unconditional release of Gulshan Abbas, Ekbar Assad, Rahila Dawood, Ding Jiaxi, Go Sherab Gyatso, Jimmy Lai, all those who have been unjustly detained by the People's Republic of China.